When you wander into a showroom to take a look at a new car, you might consider where some of the parts for that new car come from. Not a mine or a plastic factory, but now manufacturers are growing materials for car parts in farmers' fields.
At the end of the farming season, any straw left in the fields is burned, but Ford have found another use for it: the air ducts and storage bins in new cars. That foam padding that makes up the soft part of the seats that you sit on is now made from soy foam. More than 31,000 soybeans go into every new Ford Escape, and Ford's supply team buy more than £5 million of soy every year. This manufacturing with farm-grown products is nothing new for Ford. They had vehicles in 1941 that used soybeans in the fiber construction. When Ford launched the 2007 Mustang, very few customers knew that the seats were made of soy foam. Although the petroleum-based foam and soy foam prices were the same at the time, as oil prices began to rise, the use of soy foam saved Ford and their customers money. And it's not only farm products that go into the modern car. Ford is taking used water bottles from auto shows and recycling them into seats in some of their new cars.
Now, 20 pounds of soy foam goes into 3 million Fords manufactured every year. But Ford are also experimenting with new materials, including mushrooms. They don't only taste good on pizza, but apparently they also make sustainable car interiors. I'm Nik Miles.